Welcome to another video, everyone. Today, 2003 Honda Civic rear lower control arm. The bushing on his is totally wiped out. So we're gonna do this. Shouldn't be too hard. I think all of you at home can do it. So just follow my video step by step and we'll get through it. Part on both sides, the same exact part number. I got these from Rock Auto. Part number CMS601160. I bought these control arms. One of them came with the tool for the bolts that go right here. It's like a weird star bit. It's different. Hopefully your control arms came with this tool. This is the part we're replacing here. Use the new socket that came with your control arm, loosen these guys up, take a 17mm, loosen this guy up. Once they're loose, I supported the control arm with a jack. Just want to jack it up a little bit, try to take some of the pressure off. I'm going to start, take out this 17 here all the way. That 17 is out. Now I'm going to use the tool and I'm going to remove all three of these all the way. This control arm has this plastic cover thing, and that is pushed over the edge of this control arm. So you need to, it'll be sitting there like that. You need to grab it and pull it towards the center of the car, and then it'll come off. Transfer over this plastic guard by pulling these tabs, and then it slides over this piece here. Once you slide the tabs, it'll pull up, and then press it over the new one. Take the little cover thing, you're going to slide it over here, clip it on both sides, and we can install this back into the car. Slide this end into this gap, then pull this end up, slide it over until all these holes line up, or you can put this in by hand, like so. Trying to torque this down without this bolt in isn't going to work. So I use my little impact just to drive those in. Next step, we're going to lift this up with a jack, get the hole to line up in here, and put that 17mm bolt back. You don't want this bushing here to bind up. So jack up the control arm here till the car starts to lift, then tighten this down with your torque wrench. Torque these down right now. After you torque everything down, put your tire back on, put the car back on the ground, and you're done. Go get an alignment.